Hey guys, this is Amma from my first favorite video for of course you know Right. So guys, today I'm going to unbox Boult Bluetooth wireless speaker of 10 watts which I bought it from Amazon for around rupees 810 in the sale actually. So it's around 899 and I got around 10% discount after bank. So this is the product. It is, you can clearly check, this is a Boult. It's look heavy actually. So for comparison, this is a truly wireless charging buds. So you can clearly check it's very tiny in fact. So this is how it is. So for comparison, you can clearly check it's huge. From my palm, it's more than my palm. It's almost my size of my palm. So this is how, and you can find this unboxing in my I button actually. You can clearly check if you are interested, because both are music products which I bought in this sale, and this product is for around 810 rupees itself. Both Boult audio. You can find the link in the description to purchase this, and as well as this. On top we have Boult audio, which was written here. It is Bluetooth HD deep bass, built-in mic, 1-year warranty, extra bass, and it's actually 4,999. It was manufactured last year actually. So but I got it for around not even 999. I got it for 899. The packaging looks good in fact. So it was not just clumsy or something. It was better. So oh god. So nothing else. Oh, we have something in the box. So what is this? It's Boult user manual. How can you connect it? So this is something, and you can actually charge it through. You can actually connect via Bluetooth, or you can connect an SD card, everything. So let me just keep this aside. You have this cable. So from USB also, from laptop also, you can use this as a speaker. So that's great. You can check it. Boult audio speaker. So this is how it's huge in size, and this is Boult, which was written here. And on top we have next button, like volume up and down, pause and play, and more different types of mode. You can clearly check the mechanical sound of this. Mechanical sound of this buttons, and on bottom we have the rubber. So it will not just it will not just it is not just slippery. You can easily hold this properly. That's good. So this is how front you have grill. This is a speaker. Yep. So this is a woofer, micro woofer. So you'll be getting a very good beat. Here you can check it is for charging. Micro USB cable, on and off. USB. You can connect the pen drives or laptops here, and you have the TF that is micro SD card, and you can play the song from there also if you have a micro SD card. But I'll be using through Bluetooth itself mostly. So let me just on it. So it's just on.
Power on.
So you will be getting power on.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So let me just so this is how it is. Total the box. It's ready to pair, and nothing. There is nothing. It's a piece of plastic, and you can check clearly the size of my hand over here. So again for comparison, you can check it here. So this is how it is. Something kind of, and so yeah. Let me just connect it to my mobile.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Okay, so in some reviews I just heard about this, is like it has a massive battery. It comes around, you can listen the songs for around 20 hours it seems. So it's very shocking to me. So let me just check and get back to you. So you can check the battery percentage of 50 and here also you can clearly check the percentage of the battery here.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, to my shadow, to the sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
So yeah, this button is working properly. So guys, you can clearly check from the mic and everything. So earlier I used to use this 3 volts Bluetooth speaker, which I bought it from Paytm long back for around 350 rupees, almost 4 years back, and it is working still fine. But the problem with this is like the battery is getting down, and eventually the sound is also required. So you know, I just kept this aside and I bought it this. So for watching movies or something, I'll be using this product itself. So you can connect this cable, you can use this thing. So this sounds great. In fact, there's our unboxing of it, and you can check a small tiny light is there here, whether it is working fine or not. So for this price segment, I'm pretty much impressed on the sound quality and everything. So I would definitely recommend you to purchase this if you are choosing for a good Bluetooth speaker under your budget. But yeah, this is looking a bit of huge because of this woofer. It requires some gap between the speaker and everything. So that's why it's huge. Yeah guys, that's all. So this is how. If you have any questions regarding this product, please mention me in the comment section below. I'll be replying you as early as possible. So the Best Buy links will be present in the description below, where you can purchase this product from there. Yeah guys, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.